How how is AI impacting your industry and how are you utilizing it?
Yeah, I like AI for initial research. I'm really picky about research though, so I always have to give it numerous prompts to get me the right kind of research so that it's from trusted academic sources. I have to give it examples. And then I go and look at the research myself. I don't rely on it. I use it sometimes to summarize and clean up notes that I've written, just
Of
things
course.
like that. Uh, I think it's good for that. I know there's AI to help give feedback for public speaking. It's a little generic in my view, and it's gonna tell you like, "Oh, you said 32 times." That's fine for awareness, but it's not gonna give you the how to fix that, because quite often what that might stem from, if somebody's overusing fillers, for example, it might stem from nervousness and, uh, being too concerned with what others are thinking and some other mindset issues. Some people are afraid to take up space, so they don't want to pause. AI might not find that. So it's interesting. I think it can be useful, but I don't think it's where people think it is in terms of doing what actual trainers can do. But I
I
think it's a
just
great,
got something from you. People use fillers instead of a dramatic pause in
yes,
public speaking. That just blew my mind, right? Because I use a whole lot of fillers, but I know the power of a dramatic pause, especially if you make a great point and then pause. It gives them time to digest what you just said. But sometimes you cannot be as confident and you may put in these filler words.
right? The more you get used to not using fillers in your everyday language, when you're talking to anyone you live with, spend time with, when you get used to doing that and you're okay with silence, you train yourself and that becomes your new normal.
Ah, okay with silence. I like that. I like
It's a
that.
habit.